Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am going to be sharing with you all how I decorate my fall mantle or my mantle for the fall and how I refresh my fireplace. So keep watching. Hey guys, so let's get started with the mantle, okay? And we're gonna start with the garland. This garland, I picked it up from the Christmas tree shop, and there are two garlands that I basically, wrapped around each other, and they're neutral colors. They're like the large roses and the large mums, okay? And I picked up one of these picks from Big Lots, and I just, clip them off, and then I just kind of, fill in the gaps. All right, and all of the other picks, the berries, I got from the Dollar Tree store, okay? I just needed a little pop of color, that is, pretty much good enough for me, all right? Okay, the ribbon that you see here, I also picked that up from the Christmas tree shop, and it's like a scarfing, ribbon scarfing, they call it. And the little pumpkins, the little blingy pumpkins, I picked those up as well from the Christmas tree shop. All right, so let's move on. The pumpkin over here, I had that just over a year ago, and I picked that up from Home Goods. These two big pumpkins that you can see in the back, and the one all the way over to the end, it's like the rose gold copper. I got those from my girl Martha, okay? And the LED candles back here, I picked those up from my local Goodwill, and those were $4.99 each, and they're pretty solid, and it has that linen texture to the touch. They're really, really, really worth it. Oh, and the garland also came with the white pumpkins as well. All right, and here is a jar of nice smelly candle that I had for probably over a year or so, and I also picked that up from Home Goods. Okay, so I think I pretty much covered everything over here. And guys, this is basically the first time that I am decorating my mantle for the fall. Okay, and this would pretty much stay like this up until Thanksgiving. All right, so down here I want to show you how I refresh my fireplace. I had my hubby remove the brass door that was in there, and I replaced it with these two black wrought iron doors. Okay, and I think, I just cleaned up over here a little bit, and I think it turned out pretty great. I like how it looked. And down here is my last project, DIY that I did, the flip challenge with the Holiday Cookie Diva. I believe she's going with a new name now, Secondhand Tracy Ann, I think, but don't quote me on that, okay? This was her project that I did my last video. Over here is also another challenge that I did a couple of weeks ago. I just decided to, incorporate it with my fireplace decor, because I had it over on the other side back there on the other wall, and I think it turned out really, really pretty. Okay, the shelves here on each side, that was one big shelf, and it was big enough to cover one side. So I didn't want to have to put the shelf only on one side. So my husband decided to cut it down in the middle, and that's how we, ended up with two shelves on each side. And, there's a little more space for, home, decor items, and that turned out pretty nice as well. Okay? So, yeah, I am very pleased with how it turned out. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you like it, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Have a blessed weekend, and God willing, I will see you in my next video.